good Wednesday evening. Temperatures quickly cooling out there. That high pressure still dominating our weather, allowing for the light winds and clear skies. And those temperatures are responding down to 40 degrees in Bryan College Station. Our average low was actually 42. So it gives you an idea of just how quickly the temperatures are cooling. 34 degrees in Hearn, and that cool spot, look at Conroe, already down to 30 degrees. Going to see a light frost tomorrow morning. Those temperatures going to continue to fall. We will hit freezing again here in Bryan College Station. Forecast low with 32 just outside of the city limits, likely going to fall into the upper 20s. So frost expected on the grass as well as those elevated surfaces. Not dealing with any precipitation out there, nothing showing up on satellite and radar, and we expect the radar to remain clear as we head into the early morning hours. Notice those winds do flip around to the southeast, though. That's going to allow the temperatures to warm up into the low 60s tomorrow afternoon under mostly sunny skies. Cloud cover does start to increase, though, as we head into the afternoon hours as a storm system approaches. That storm system currently over central California. Notice beginning to see some precipitation to the east side of those the mountain chain there in California, your Sierra Nevadas. This storm system going to work its way towards the east-southeast as we head into Thursday. Should be near the Four Corners by Thursday night. Just notice how big this little dip is in the jet stream. This storm system going to start to slow down and edge its way east-southeast into the Texas Panhandle heading into late Thursday, early Friday morning. That's going to allow some moisture to pull its way on up into central and southern parts of Texas. You can see those beige and green shaded colors. That's that moisture starting to increase. This system kind of acts like a vacuum, so it's pulling up that moisture into the state. Notice that we start to see that moisture work its way into the Brazos Valley late Friday into early Saturday. Now, it's important to note that the storm system is going to become detached from the main atmospheric steering current. It's going to be well to the north of the system, and that's important for two reasons. One, it's going to allow this storm system to slowly move southeast across the Brazos Valley, aiding in good storm chances for us. And then number two, well, it's not really going to tap into really cold surface air. So those are two important variables to note as this system cuts off. Now, this storm system actually developed near the Aleutian Islands. So while the surface air isn't super cold right now, the mid and upper levels of this upper level low really cold. We're talking about snow falling above our heads. So we're going to see the snow fall from the clouds, and it's going to hit a warm layer just above freezing around 5,000 feet. That's going to melt those snowflakes, and unfortunately those are going to fall as raindrops here. Surface temperatures going to be in the 40s, so it's going to be a cold rain, but man, just above our heads going to see some snow. Now, if for some reason those temperatures were just a little bit colder in the mid layers of the atmosphere and that precipitation were a little bit heavier, there could be a couple wet snowflakes mixing in, but unfortunately that's not in the forecast at this time. But a cold rain is, and we're going to get some pretty good rain. We're talking about probably half an inch of rain. One of the most optimistic models we look at is the American model, showing 0.8 of an inch. Now, the NAM is showing just above a quarter of an inch, but when we average all this out, probably looking at about a half an inch of rain, and we will take it because we need it. We are looking at below average precipitation for the year, so we need to get caught up on it, and half an inch would definitely help us out. Temperatures are going to warm up just in time for Christmas, a high expected of 71 degrees.
Boy, you were teasing us with that snow. You're like, oh, there's going to be snow, but just above our heads.
Just above our heads. If you can go up about 5,000 feet, it'll be snowing, Gabriella.
Let me just fly up there real quick, Chris.
Maybe. I wonder if Frostbite Mountain's 5,000 feet. If it were, it'd be snowing on Frostbite Mountain.
It feels that way. I was just there Monday night. That was fun.
Well, I'm going to go tomorrow.
Yes.
So I'll let you know how it is.
Okay. Well, coming up next, we have a little bit more KAG, some FFA action coming up. Stay with me and Chris. We'll be right back.